We're going to be making fish in curry sauce. Firstly, I'm going to season my fish fillet and I'm using some fish seasoning and salt. We're going to rub the fish seasoning and salt all over I'll go ahead to coat the fish fillet with the fish seasoning and salt, and I'll leave this to marinate for at least 5 minutes. I'm going to add some scotch bonnet, onions, coriander, oil. I'll go ahead to combine these together, and I'm going to place this in the LG Neochef Microwave oven, placing this for about 30 seconds. I'm going to be adding some cooking cream. You can also use coconut milk for this. I'll go in with a little bit of salt and your curry powder. Combine all of this together. Once I've combined, I'm going to be adding my fish into this. Cover this with a cling film before you put in your LG Neochef Microwave. I'll poke this in the middle for even cooking. Now I'm going to place this in my LG Neochef Microwave. We're going to allow this cook for 10 minutes. And our delicious fish and curry sauce is ready. I'll be serving this with some white rice. If you love what you just watched and you think you can do it too, join the LG Insider community today and also get a chance to create a review video for the LG Neochef Microwave. Use the link in my bio to join now.